Hi bells, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome to the family, to the gang. Okay, so I'm Revi aka Amaka, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Luzta Cosmetics pigment, swatching them, trying it out on my eyes, letting you know all the tea about this pigment because they are the bomb.com. So if you want to see a review on it, then keep on watching. These are the Luzta Cosmetics pigments. This is what they look like. They come in this little jar. I don't know if you can see that. I got 4 shades. I think they have 8 shades in total. I got 4 of the 8 because those are the ones that I love the most, and I'm just going to show you quickly. Here are swatches of the Luzta Cosmetic pigments up close. This is what they look like, and can you see that they are color shifting? Like the first and the last colors, they change from blue to purple, and then from green to purple. They are so gorgeous. Like when I say that these things are pigmented, so they retail for 1,500 naira each, and they are worth every single dime, like every single penny of yours. If you're looking for mad ass pigmentation in these colors, blue, and they are duochrome, guys. I don't know how they did it, but Luzta Cosmetics, you're at the bomb.com. Let's jump straight into this tutorial. To start off my look, I will go with this flesh tone pink shade from excuse my finger, my Morphe 35B palette. That shade is called Orb, O-R-B, Orb. And I'm going to use a small blending brush and apply that right in my crease. Let me switch to my Sigma brush because I want that color to be really blown out on my crease, I'm going to mix these 2 colors right here, and I'm going to apply that on my crease. Then I'll go back with my Sigma E40 blending brush. I'll take that flesh tone shade once again, and I will just go over the demarcation line between my brow bone area and the transition color. So next up, I'll take this orange shade right here from 35B. It's so funny because these 2 palettes are Morphe's like top palettes, and they discontinued them. Sorry, I'm switching to a smaller brush. I don't understand, like Morphe, who is giving you all this advice that you should discontinue your best palettes? It doesn't even make any sense. I don't know why brands do that. They come up with really banging products and then they discontinue it. Like, what's doing you? I mean, you don't want to sell again. I'll be going in with the Luzta Cosmetics pigments. I'm using the shade Glossy on my lids, and I'm going to apply it with a fluffy brush like this. This is the Coastal Scents BR250 brush. Any fluffy brush will do, and you just tap. Can you see that? Like, these things are mad as pigmented. Like, look at this. You don't need to be a pro, you don't need to be a genius, you just need to tap. This is madness. Like, do you want me to repeat that on the other eye so you see? Just tap. Like that. That's all you need to be great. Tap. Oh, Luzta! Wow. So I am just tapping this. Wow. 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 Can you guys see this greatness? Like, where? Show me the palette, show me the brand. Luzta, why are dear? Why are dear? I'm going to repeat all the colors I used on in my crease. I'm going to use them on my lower lash line. If you're a beginner in makeup, when using these pigments, I recommend that you do your eyes first, especially if you intend to use the pigment on your lower lash line. That way it will be easy for you to just take a wipe or micellar water and just clean out whatever excess you may have. I'm moving on to mascara, and I will use my Benefit The Real Mascara. This is the travel size. So I'm going to go off camera and complete the rest of my face, and I'll come back and show you guys the completed look. Alright guys, so I am done with my entire face and I am back, with glossy lips, nude lips, everything, face popping, skin popping, and this is what the eyes look like. I absolutely and totally love this pigment. I am going to rate it a 9.5 over 10. The reason why I am removing half, because this thing is bomb. Like, see, it is not a 1.5 that has gone to waste. Like, this product is bomb. The only reason why I'm not giving this product a 10 over 10 is because they are not so full. Like, the jars are small, all right, but it's not full. That's my only thing. So Luzta Cosmetics, if you're watching, please and please create 2 sizes. Okay, I know people usually complain about prices and all of that, so you can have this one as the mini size, and you can have a bigger one that is in a bigger jar with more products, and you can add more, you can increase the price. So for people who cannot afford to pay the higher amounts, they can go for this mini size, because in my mind these are minis. They are really small and they are so good. We want more Luzta Cosmetics. Okay, so that is my review on their pigments. They are amazing. If you have 1.5 to spare, invest in Luzta Cosmetics pigments. My favorites of all these are the Glossy and Blue. Those are the duochrome. On my eyelids I have Glossy, and they are more finely milled. They are highly finely milled. And these other ones, the golden shimmery ones, this one is duochrome as well as the other two, but they are not as finely milled as the other two, which is, I don't really like that. But it applies without any primer, any base, anything. But if I were to use any of this, I would definitely go in with a glitter primer, my NYX glitter primer, just for ease of application, because it's sort of grainy, almost like a fine glitter. So those are my thoughts on the Luzta Cosmetics. Those are my thoughts on the Luzta Cosmetics pigments, and yeah, I love them so much. I love you so much for watching. Thank you for sticking with me to this time. If you found this video helpful, interesting, fun, do give it a like, a thumbs up, and if you are not yet subscribed, please join the family. You want to be a belle now, fine girl, baby girl, join the gang now. All right, I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, kizzess. Bye. American girls and bad. Hey, but I know bad pussy. Hey, and oh, somebody. Hey. Coupe. So, oh my god, guys, my pigment. Oh shit. Here is just a little bit of glossy. It just poured all over. Like, I'm so pained right now. You have no idea, because these things are precious to me. Anyway,